Okay, so this is my backyard, and we are currently experiencing, whoop, I tripped over something, a really freaky snowstorm. It's been like snowing for like 5 hours straight, and there's so much wind. That pile in my backyard, you can't see it because there's a porch there, but it goes down all the way to the ground. And that wall up there is the neighbor's garage, so it's about 8 feet tall. Let's see what's going on this side of the house. Yeah, my camera's crappy, whatever. Look at that wind! Oh my god, it's such a fucking huge storm! I feel bad for all the critters out there that don't have like a tree hole to hide in. Dude, so much snow. This is Canada.